So hello YouTube! Today we have like a quick, simple project here. And my friend, was grinding gears with old diesels, and new diesels, but still family cars. So he bought kind of interesting E61 here, and he's keen for a quick muffler delete here. So we're gonna try to put a resonator there. So let me show you how it sounds now. Regular BMW, not bad, but we want more, so let's jump into work. So I haven't mentioned that this is this BMW is 2.5 liter V straight 6 with a N52 engine. Originally it has like 70 millimeter exhaust at the end, so we're gonna connect that with this stainless steel clamp, weld this 70 millimeter to this stainless steel 76 pipe here, because we got it cheap. Not that we wanted to make it wider, but cheap thing is always good. Again, cheap resonator. I don't know how much it's going to to silence it, but it's cheap, so we'll try. Not a problem. If it's too loud, we can make it more silent another day, so not a problem. And of course a cheap exhaust tip, but doesn't mean that it's cheap. It's not, it's still looks good, and we're happy with that. So yeah, setup will be like this. We're gonna connect with this clamp here, make some angle cuts with this piece here, and weld everything together, and we'll see. So here's the back end of this exhaust, and here's the resonator, here's the muffler that we're going to delete, and here's the mark we're gonna make a cut. In this European model there is no connection here, but I've seen some diagrams that there is connection here with the USA models. I don't know if it's true or not, but yeah, we're gonna make it like as much as stock as we can. If we want to come back to stock mode here, so it would be no problem. So damage has been done. Muffler is on the ground. Hit it! Yeah, baby. Straight 6. Things slowly moving on, and rest situation is here. So the next job is to connect pipe with resonator. So front reached the back. Now everything is in one piece. Just need to weld everything tightly enough and adjust the tip. Okay, so everything is set up and ready to start. Oh my god. Go for a drive. Yeah, around 2000 is alright, and above 4000 is okay too. Yeah, nice. But it's loud. If you want like quiet exhaust and just a little bit more of, you know, rumble, don't do this. This is just for fun. Negative karma points. Okay. We're gonna make this, you know, quieter, so thank you for watching and see you on the next time.